wanna all night. Say it, I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it, I wanna all night. Hello, stranger, babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby, saying, baby, love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Taking that off me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the plug, I made the coffee green. Talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just like.
If it wasn't for the money, cars, and movie stars, and jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still be calling me? Still be loving me? Loving you. If it wasn't for the money, cars, and movie stars, and jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still call me? Still be loving me? Loving you.
I really need my love. I really need to free my love. I really need your love. I need to free my mind out. I really need your love. I really need to free my love. I really need your love. Oh, yeah. Set me free and any open mind. Father in the eyes can handle. Free and any ocean now. Yeah. To set me free. Now I need to find relief. Set me to the open sky. Now I need to free my mind. All that I need to be on you. I'm just saying to me. Yeah. Why don't you call and you talk to the girl? I'll see my world with you. You waste your time, waste yourself. Love me honestly, open your eyes and see. Everything that you need, waste yourself. You could never. Got time to
So I eventually, this is my new read. I eventually came to open shop. These are deliveries, and yeah, let me show you my store. You know what? Let's rewind from the beginning, and then I'm gonna show you the final product. Yeah. Hiyo iko sawa. Sasa juu sasa?
Hapa juu.
Hiyo ni sawa. So at this point, this was the beginning of like structuring everything in the stall, like how I really wanted it to look like. And yeah, you remember you saw that guy writing a list down of everything that we wanted. So at this point, we were buying each and every item that was required. You see that block board there, the black and designed one? Kindly comment down below and guess where else you're gonna see it next.
Quickly, learn to sell through me. Already, getting what you needed, I guess, yeah. That's why I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me.
Rewatching all these videos is really humbling for sure.
Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.
I ended up getting a cut. I do not even understand how, but it was a really deep one. And it left me with a very big scar, which keeps reminding me of where I started.
Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm hurt. Most of the things I don't wanna say.
And if you follow me on Instagram at Muthoni's Life, you'll realize there's a picture that I posted on this date, on this location, marking the beginning of this journey.
I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back. When you fail, I always wanted you, but it's that I don't see. You got something real, not bad.
Seeing the whole process from the beginning to the end really humbles me. I'm so thankful for the fact that I saw my dream come to pass. And yeah, let's see where I am right now with the store. Enjoy. Show you my store. These are the items that are available, and more up here. Others have been sold. Something like this, and then they're like shoes. And then we come to this other side. It's this and that and all that and then all that, and yeah, and jeans here. This is me basically, yeah. Oh, changing space, mirror, and this is where I sit. Let me try and show you what. There's a lot of sun, more items outside. And then there's this, still outside. And yeah, I'm really proud of myself and the far that I've come.
Done just you good. It's done just you good. It's done just done just just for the record. Just for the record. If they like it, then drop it.
And officially I'm back. It's been a while. I even feel, but anyway, hope you get, I hope it's okay. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. It's Muthoni here. Yeah, I'm Muthoni. I'm from Kenya, Nairobi, Kenya. So it's been, it's It's been like 2 months. Last time I posted was in Feb. Yo, a girl is going through it. If you haven't watched that video, kindly please go and watch it. It's like the video before this. And yeah, I thank God that I'm back. A lot has changed. I have changed mentally, physically, emotionally, bank wise, every 360. And I like that for me. And this is just it. What have I been doing? I think I'm gonna update y'all slowly by slowly, but I've been like just focusing on the things that I love, focusing on myself individually, hitting goals. I really needed the quietness because there's a lot of noise everywhere, like even with people, social media. So like if you are able to when you're able to like shut down like some doors to like focus on like what is really important to you, then do it. And that's what I did. And thank you so much for all who checked up on me, everybody who like called me and like or maybe texted me. Thank you so much. It means a lot. I'm back, stronger, better, blessed. And yeah, this is going to be a good journey. The past 4 months have been so great. Like I've been really, it's really been anxious for me, like to see how far like I've come. It's humbling, and for sure God is there. God really hears prayers. And yeah, I'm really ready, low-key ready. Yeah, low-key ready to invite y'all to my journey. And yeah, thank you so much for watching till here. Subscribe, share, like, and support a girl, because a girl is back. And I hope you know, get a hang of this again. So yeah, bye.
My Valentine, yeah. Can I you make you my temperature the rise? If you leave me, I could die. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Your love ain't it, totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your body. I need a machine. Open a make I see. You're my love, 160. If you make a bad man sing, I want to carry for my head. It's your one and your Weezy, man, this shit too easy. Different bitch for every season, showing me that cleavage.
Heading now to the shop. It's like 11 right now.
Make this
This is the beginning of a venture.
I need your lips all night. Can you kiss me more? We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, it's just principle. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way you move. Oh, your eyes, I can hallucinate.
Had a very successful day today. I feel good. Married. Feel nice, therapeutic. Ooh, the sun. Ooh, I like it. I like it. Anyway, that was somebody who was passing by. Anyway, I can feel like a changed person. I feel like a changed human being. Like your books, something that I should tell you should try and invest in. Books. Sun-kissed. Anyway, I'm heading to eat. I'm so hungry. And then, yeah, we'll see. I feel like eating like meat. I feel like eating meat. So yeah, see you shortly. So I'm heading to shower, but I wanted to say I am back. I am back like I never left. I'm so excited. But I'm back, you know it. Yeah, I'm back. Bye. Oh my god. Whew, a lot has happened, but